maximizing comfort. How to safely extract ingrown hair after a Brazilian wax. Have you just had a Brazilian wax and noticed red, painful bumps forming? You're probably dealing with ingrown hairs. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you safe, expert-approved tips to remove ingrown hairs without causing damage to your skin. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted channel for body care, skin health, and wellness. If you're tired of irritation, inflammation, or ingrown hair problems, you've come to the right place. This creates a red bump, sometimes filled with pus, and can feel painful or itchy. Ingrown hairs are common after Brazilian waxing, especially in areas where hair is coarse or curly. Hold the skin taut and gently lift the loop of the hair if it's visible. Apply a soothing antiseptic like witch hazel, aloe vera, or diluted tea tree oil. Avoid using scented lotions or alcohol-based products that could irritate the skin, or loose breathable cotton underwear. Do not shave, wax, or exfoliate the area again for at least 48 hours. Let your skin rest and heal. You should not dig into the skin or try to pull the hair from the root. Your goal is to bring the hair to the surface so it can grow normally. If the hair doesn't come out easily, stop and try again after another warm compress session. Never force it. This can lead to scarring. Clean your tweezers with rubbing alcohol or boil them in hot water. With the right care, you can treat and prevent them safely at home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MTH Health for more skin-smart advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy skin starts with gentle care. Next, place a warm towel on the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. This will open your pores and soften the skin. Never squeeze, pop, or pick at an ingrown hair. Doing so increases the risk of infection and scarring. Avoid using dirty tools or your fingers. Don't over-exfoliate. That can cause micro tears and irritation if the area becomes swollen, hot, or filled with pus. See a dermatologist. Also, if you notice recurring ingrown hairs that lead to dark marks or scars, it may be time to change your hair removal method altogether. Don't ignore your skin's warning signs. And if you have multiple ingrown hairs, avoid removing all of them at once. Treat one area at a time to minimize trauma to the skin. Now, gently exfoliate the skin using a soft brush, washcloth, or mild exfoliating scrub. Moisturize daily with non-comedogenic, fragrance-free lotions. If waxing irritates your skin, consider switching to sugaring, trimming, or laser hair removal. Avoid wearing tight clothing immediately after waxing. Let your skin breathe. The less pressure and friction, the better. This helps remove dead skin cells that might be trapping the hair. Do not scrub aggressively. This can make things worse. That includes the bikini area. When hair is removed from the root, it can leave the follicle open and prone to inflammation. If you don't exfoliate or keep the skin moisturized, dead skin cells can trap the hair beneath the surface. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly health tips. The answer is only if it's safe. If the hair is close to the surface and there's no infection, it can be removed gently. But if it's deep, swollen, or filled with pus, do not touch it. Picking at it may cause scarring or introduce bacteria, so always check for signs of irritation before doing anything. Let's get into it. An ingrown hair occurs when a hair curls backward or grows sideways into the skin instead of coming out. You may wonder, should you even remove an ingrown hair? Before you even touch an ingrown hair, wash your hands thoroughly. Now you're ready to try removing the hair. Carefully. Use sterilized slant-tip tweezers. Once the hair is removed, cleanse the area again using gentle soap and water. Let's talk about what not to do. Now, let's talk prevention. Exfoliate regularly 2 to 3 times per week using gentle scrubs or chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid. Sometimes an ingrown hair becomes infected and needs professional attention. Ingrown hairs are uncomfortable, but they don't have to be permanent.